Hi, how you doing? My name is Tony. I'm not a scientist, just a kid who's just trying to reason on research. I'm just looking up what's in the center of the galaxy. You know what they say? Supermassive black hole. But I really do not stand with that. That's why I'm making this video, because that shit does not make sense. If it's a fucking supermassive black hole, I really feel like you can see the darkness. You can, yes, I understand. Like for the spiralness to be created, they gotta be like a drainage. However, that's what you think. Because at the end of a galaxy cycle is just no spiralness, no gases, no stars around it. Just one star surrounded by just one really bright star. You might be like one really bright star. This is what I'm talking about. Piece of shit. This is what I'm talking about. Exactly. What makes it so bright? Let's see. Maybe you might find something useful. Because let me talk to you how this shit really started. I'm not a firm believer of the Big Bang. I don't think the mass of the whole universe can be jam packed in one singular atom and it goes kapow. I really think that's a rubbish idea to really think that the universe itself just just no. I really think for the even the vacuum to be there, something had to be there for it to be there. So for you to just, I don't know, to just say the universe jam packed in one atom, my brain doesn't simply settle with that. For example, look, even this room, for it to be jam packed in one singular atom, you know how small an atom is? I don't know, but I really do not stand with that. It depends on galaxies. Many large galaxies can contain a central concentration of bright stars. Other galaxies have luminous cores because of a supermassive black hole as consuming matter and radiating energy. It's consuming matter and radiating energy. So you say still a black hole cannot be shiny. At the same time, light is a form of energy. But still, that does not settle with me so well. I really think there's something wrong with that. Light is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy. So for you to just say energy blank, no. I don't settle with that. That does not settle with me too well. I do think at the center of the galaxy there is a star. Yes, we can't ignore the fact that um, as that star grows old, it can become a black hole. But for it to explode and become a black hole, that will be the dispersing of the spiral. But I really do think the a star really, at the same time, large stars. I don't know if or think. Well, let's see. Do large stars have a larger magnetic pull? Okay. See, now we're making some progress. The higher the mass, the larger the gravitational pull. And yes, I would agree with that in terms of when you get the bed sheet and you put in a stone, how it carves the space around it. Yes. And okay, now we could make a good sense of things, because as the asteroids move in the Kuiper belt, yes, some get really I feel like pulled in the gravitation of the sun. Some really do, and some really can get absorbed by Jupiter. I don't know if they just rock with me for a minute, because my brain is really boiling at this point. Because at the center of this galaxy, I don't think it's just a black hole. Yes, there is a black hole in our galaxy, but I do not think it's in the center of our galaxy. I don't think it's the one that's really causing the spiralness to be there. I really think it's a star that is there, that's really massive and has a bigger gravitational, I don't know why I'm gonna say magnetic, gravitational energy. It could be magnetic as well, I don't even fucking know. But the spiralness, I feel like as time goes by, it's just energy can't be destroyed nor be created. Even black holes, even if I feel like black holes would be releasing more heat energy and not light. Not light. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I really do not think. But I really believe now, I believe that I really do think at the center of our galaxy there is more of a star than a black hole. Things are not getting absorbed in the center of this galaxy. Stars are growing and dying. Just the cycle. Because really, you gotta think, maybe I was rushing it. The spiralness, the attraction, is not instant. It takes billions and billions of years. And stars gotta go through their cycle and experience their cycle until maybe galaxies collide in each other. Or maybe the stars the stars die out and form black holes of their own, and they absorb the energy and things around them. But at the center, I really do think there is a star growing and growing, rather than something attracting and pulling. The balance between inward pull of gravity and outward pressure of radiation. Radiation. Yeah. I mean that's what yeah. I think I'm gonna stand with that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stand with that. I know that might be really a stupid theory to even stand with or believe, but I really do not think black holes emit the light that you see at the center of the galaxy. I don't think. I don't think. I feel like you can see black holes because of the light behind it, the light around it, but not the light it's emitting. I think, if anything, black holes are going to absorb and absorb and absorb until they can't anymore, and that's when they become supermassive black holes. Do they have gravity? Um, that energy gotta be going somewhere. But I really think it can be so big that it doesn't absorb anything anymore. And what if black holes could be so big that they become their own um end, in terms of it becomes so big and then it starts collapsing, releasing that energy. That's what I would really believe, like releasing and just releasing and just releasing and just done. I feel like black holes could be, they could be the recycling, um the recycling trucks, or just the recycling factors of the galaxy. As they recycle that gas, the extra energy being put out. But I really don't think at the center of the galaxy there is. Yes, we can't. Yes, there are stars in our galaxy. At the center, there's still stars, and those stars can really become black holes. But I do not think at the center there is a black hole. There is more over more of a star than a black hole. And black holes are just there as stars grow and expand and just really give off that heat. And you might be like, if a black hole is next to a star, can't it absorb the star? Unless the star is way massive, then a black hole is still gonna give off that energy, but that energy shedding is still the sun just giving off energy in its normal terms, or just really being itself, or just giving off, rather than it um just draining the star. Try to see the only footage of the just try to see footage of the black hole on YouTube. It's it kind of seems like a star just going elliptic around it, and yes, losing some of its energy. And if a star is really bigger than a black hole, and it gets complicated. I don't even know, but yeah, that's what has been going through my mind. So peace. I don't not even know. If you have anything to add on, please do. It gets more complicated and stupendous. Just try to think. Try to think. Try to think. Yeah. Have a nice day.